Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a pasta dish. It's a very simple dish and it tastes really good. I'm going to go to the main ingredient today is going to be our pasta, noodle pasta, and then vegetables are today is just going to be cherry tomatoes and ginger, half ginger, this much of ginger, and garlic, four garlic pulses, and I have 1 cup of olive oil, and last I have mild, mellow and a nutty flavored cheese. The cheese will be grated on top, so it's not actually going into the pasta dish on the initial stage itself. So first we are going to boil the pasta and get it ready. Heat a pan, add the olive oil to the pan. Now to the hot oil add the ginger and the garlic. Now the garlic is fried well and the garlic oil is ready. Add a little bit of dried thyme. You can also add fresh thyme to this dish and it enhances the flavor. Now you can add the tomatoes to this, the cherry tomatoes. I'm adding a Himalayan pink salt for this recipe. Now the oil is ready, we're going to add the pasta. Garlic oil pasta is ready. Hope you like this dish. Please subscribe to our channel and click on like. Thank you for watching.